Hey guys, on to my next project. My E did not come with a Swaybar front or rear, so I installed a through body in the front. Now I have to install my Swaybar in the back. Well, they said it is highly recommended to install the beefier supports brackets for the Swaybar. So I said, well, I don't know if I need them. Well, I need them because I guess the previous owner or one of the previous owners decided to put their jack underneath that mount and lift it up. Well, this is what I have. Go underneath there. And that smashed up thing is where the Swaybar mounts to. And then if you look across, it goes straight across underneath the tranny and it goes to that side. Well, if you look real close, that side's smashed up too. So I've got to cut these off, cut these welds right here, and then the welds up there. That's going to be fun. This is the new piece that I'm going to install, and it sits just like that, and I stitch weld it all the way around it. So I get some fun to do. I got this one cut out, and it is literally the thickness of my door panels. It is garbage. No wonder they said it has a chance of breaking. It will. Doesn't it bounce? On to the next side. All right. Putting this thing on there. Ran into a little bit of issue. Okay, I've got my new mounts installed over there. I didn't video it because it was a horrible process. It was very long. But anyways, on the 912E, they have a vibration weight that the bar comes across and hits right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove that and do away with it. Then I'll reinstall the bar, and I've got my arm installed down there. I still have to adjust all of my suspension because it's all new. My engine is installed, and I'm getting really excited because I just have to do a couple minor things and I could start this thing. All right, I removed that big old block of steel there, and it gave me the clearance to install my Swaybar. Okay. And once I get this thing going, I will I'm going to take it down to a Porsche, local Porsche guy that all he does is the alignment and balancing for Porsche. So that'll be a little bit of ways away. So I got to get my toe in all correct, everything all correct.